It's Garrett here in Big Bend, Wisconsin at Road Track and Trail, and we are looking at a 2004 Kawasaki Nomad 1500. It has 21,000 miles on it, adjustable backrest, Vansenine pipes, light bar, rack, even highway pegs so you can kick your feet up while you're cruising on the interstate. We are selling this for $5,799. If you want to look this up at roadtrackandtrail.com, that is our website. Also come here in Big Bend, Wisconsin and check this thing out in person. Beautiful bike here, has the hard bags in the back. Let's move to the back though, where I can give you guys a good rev of this. Get a great sound of these pipes. Or listen, I mean. Definitely ready to roar on the highway, so come pick this up today at Road Track and Trail.